made it to Springdale, Utah, right outside of Zion National Park. We want to find out where our cabins are to check in later, and we are hoping to drive into the park and do the Mount Carmel Highway. So let's see. We're in line waiting to get into Zion National Park. Driving in Zion. Shuttle bus. We'll be on that tomorrow. Tunnel ahead, watch for stopped vehicles. The Mount Carmel Highway through the historic tunnel. Your lights aren't on. Glasses on, that's why I couldn't see it.
Where's the top even at? It's so dark in here.
Oh, here comes the view. Whoa! Checkerboard Mesa. It's right there. Ion Canyon Visitor Center. We're trying to park here again. This is our 5th national park, and this is by far the busiest. Zion National Park is like Disney World of national parks. There's so many people here. There's lines for bathroom. It took us 15 minutes to even park at the visitor center. There were people arguing over parking spots. It's insane. It's by far the busiest national park that we have visited so far on this trip. We are staying here at Zion Canyon Cabins. Beautiful little setting. Good morning, you guys. We are headed to Angel's Landing. Sorry about the no videos last night. I had the worst stomach ache ever. Didn't even think we were gonna get here today. But yesterday I got in the lottery for Angel's Landing permits and score. We got them. I feel really lucky for that. This could be a once in a lifetime hike for me, so I'm glad that I feel good, and we're headed to Angel's Landing. So that's Angel's Landing, and that's what we're trying to hike today. Permits only.
Give me your phone.
Getting closer. Hi. I don't have any treats.
He said, well, I'm going to the next one.
Rangers are looking for permits, and we are starting right here. Once in a lifetime hike. Still headed up that way.
Great. Aubrey, you're doing amazing.
Easy.
Bird nest up there. And the parents keep feeding it. Little one. Up in the big tank. That's the one for now. Yeah.
You little joker.
Getting closer. This is a very physically demanding trail. Walking on top of Angel's Landing. Made it to the top.
So maybe what we do, because we might be getting in kind of late on the 1st, is we go to...
I think we're
Made it.
Monday night. 30th?
This has been such a cool hike. I will say that I thought it was going to be a little scarier. And it wasn't too bad. It was very physically demanding though. And they say it's slightly scarier going back down, which I could see. But Angel's Landing, bucket list hike, done. How lucky were we to win a permit last night in the permit lottery. How you doing? Good job.
Yeah.
All right, headed back down. This should be interesting. Move way over there, Dyke. So we finished Angel's Landing and it was so amazing. That was such a bucket list hike for me. I'm here in front of the fan. Just resting. This is our little cabin. It's a mess right now. Like really a mess. We just unloaded the whole car. Did laundry yesterday. Pretty spot. Angel's Landing was not as scary or hard as I thought it was going to be. You are walking up like 2.5 miles. The last half mile, you're literally climbing that rock all the way to the top. It takes a while to get up there and you literally just fly down it. Down was easy. Going up was tough. Well worth it, and feel so lucky that we were able to get permits at the last minute.
We gotta make a pledge. One day we'll come back and stay in that campsite when it's done.
No, they're redoing one of their campgrounds.
That's what I said.
South Campground. We are driving back on the Mount Carmel Highway, about to head through the tunnel. We are going to try to hike Cayon Overlook Trail this morning before we head on out to Grand Canyon. Cayon Overlook Trail, it's 1 mile round trip. The tunnel down there.
C'est-à-dire qu'il aurait fallu qu'elle pose. Bah oui, elle avait peur.
Cayon Overlook. It's pretty.
I know, it looks like blood coming down, huh? It came up with that.
Right on top of that.
Got a small parking lot right there. And there's also parking along the road.
Hopefully there's a railing.
We're parked right there. We're leaving Zion National Park. Off to the next adventure.